In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Miro board for a retrospective session. Whether you're running a team meeting or planning a project review, Miro's versatile platform can be a fantastic tool for collaboration. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to get you up and running quickly and effectively. To start, head to your Miro dashboard, where you'll find all your boards organized neatly under sections like the marketing team, or something similar depending on how your team organizes its boards. Now, among the options available, look for the Explore Templates button. It usually sits prominently on your dashboard, designed to help you efficiently sift through a wide array of pre-designed templates. Selecting the right template is crucial to ensuring your meeting is both productive and visually engaging. Next, in the template library, you want to search for the term retrospective. Miro offers a host of templates suited for various team needs, and the retrospective template is particularly designed to help you and your team review your past activities, identify what worked well and what could be improved further. It saves you the time of having to set up everything from scratch and helps maintain consistency and focus during your meetings. After you've located the retrospective template that you believe best fits your team's needs, click on Use Template. This action will open up a new Miro board pre-populated with the appropriate layout to facilitate a productive retrospective meeting. One of the key advantages of using templates is how they've been thoughtfully structured to guide discussions effectively, ensuring that all facets of project evaluation are covered, from successes and challenges to opportunities for improvement. Once your retrospective template is loaded up, you can begin customizing it to suit the specific context of your discussion. Fill in the sections with your team's insights, reflections, and follow-up actions. You can use Miro's dynamic collaboration features to add comments, sticky notes, or draw connections between different sections of your board. This is especially helpful if your team members are joining the session remotely, as everyone can contribute in real time, making the session interactive and inclusive for all participants. Remember to leverage the tools and capabilities Miro offers, like voting sticks, timers, and feedback options to enhance participation and decision-making. This not only makes the retrospective efficient, but also engaging and fun. So there you have it, a simple, straightforward method to harness the power of Miro for your team retrospectives. I hope you find this guide helpful and that your next retrospective session is as insightful and productive as possible. Thank you for watching and happy collaborating.